Hi everyone, my name's Louisa and I'm a student at MIT, and today I'm going to be teaching you about DC or direct current circuits. We're going to talk a little bit about what a circuit is, what direct current means, and then about different types of circuits you'll see and different things that might be in a circuit. But we're not going to get too in-depth because this is really just an introduction. Many of you have probably seen a drawing like this before. This is a very simple circuit, and now as you can see it's a closed loop where electricity can flow, and this right here is the battery. The battery has a positive and a negative terminal, and that's what actually pushes electricity to move through the circuit. By convention, we say that current flows from the positive to the negative terminal. So this right here is going to be the direction of current in any circuit, not just a DC. So you may be wondering what makes a circuit DC or direct current, and it's actually a fairly simple answer. Direct current really just means that the current is constant. There's nothing that's changing the rate at which electricity is moving. So at any point in time, the current flowing through this circuit is going to be the same. Let's talk a little bit more about how the battery works. I've enlarged our very simple drawing of a battery here. So the important thing about batteries is that they have a voltage difference, which you probably know is an electric potential difference. I don't want to get too in-depth about what electric potential is, but conceptually you can think that the larger the voltage of the battery, the more strongly it's going to push electricity through the circuit. So something like a 9-volt battery pushes very strongly. Now that you've got a basic idea of what a circuit is and what the battery does, let's take a look at a slightly more complex circuit. Now I've drawn here a circuit that is mostly the same as the one you saw before. We've got our battery with its different terminals, but the difference is that we now have this. This is a resistor. The resistor affects the circuit in a couple of different ways, mainly because it makes it more difficult for electricity to flow through the circuit. Because it's harder for electricity to flow through the resistor, it's going to have a voltage cost because it takes more of the battery's strength to push electricity through.